Hello, good afternoon. Here we are at the Palmer Super Yacht Show again, and today I'd like to show you on board Vivid, the Jongert 2700M aluminium built sailing yacht, and I hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you very much. We're exhibiting this wonderful Doug Petersen designed sailing yacht here at the Palmer Super Yacht Show in April 2023. This aluminium yacht was built in 2001, but when you look around her, I think you'll hardly believe that. She's been maintained impeccably with many updates and much refitting in recent years. She is a commercially registered yacht and has a small commercial vessel certificate with all checks and surveys up to date. The mast is a Martin Marine carbon fibre setup with furling boom. She had a full rig overhaul in 2020-21, including new rod rigging. Both of those Reckman hydraulic headsail furlers were fully serviced at the manufacturer Reckman. The sails, main, Genoa and staysail, are by Elvstrom and were new in 2019. There's also a pretty asymmetric in yellow, which you can see in our photos. The windlass is hydraulically operated. Stowed under that cover in the recess on deck is a Novarana 400 DL tender with 40 horsepower Yamaha. The hull was painted in 2020. We couldn't see it as we came on board, but she has a wonderful large swimming platform as well as the hydraulic gangway that we used. In the stern there's a very large storage area, and this includes a generator. There are 4 hydraulic winches for the sheets and halyards and a captive winch for the main halyard. All of the sail controls are close at hand by the helm. She has stern and bow thrusters, those functioning via a PTO on the main engine, and she is easily managed and manoeuvred. As you see, she has a lovely sunbed area, and this leads easily into this lovely deckhouse. This is my favourite area of the vessel. The aft windows on either side drop down to open up the area for this Mediterranean climate. It can also be enclosed should you decide to go further north or south where the weather is different. There's heating and air conditioning in that area as well. As we go down below, you see the main saloon with the newly fitted dining area to starboard, storage lockers forward, an all-important bar, fridge and ice maker unit there to port, coffee table and sofas to port. Here we go aft, down towards the guest accommodation. The owner's cabin is right aft and has lots of natural light and ventilation. There's generous storage with lockers and drawers, of course a lovely sofa there as you see to port, and a large ensuite head shower area with lockers and an all-important hull port for ventilation. She sports the typical, if not trademark, Jongert circular shower. Back in the cabin you see the lovely vanity desk area to starboard, and again as you see the interior throughout, not only in the owner's area, is impeccable. The guest cabins are both identical, each with twin beds, hull port, storage and a full ensuite circular shower stall. All of the heads on board are electric. The interior was very much refurbished in 2019, including that rebuild to the starboard saloon, interior upholstery, panelling at the beds, carpets, mattresses and decorations. Guests on board Vivid will not be disappointed. We're going here into the engine room where there's a Scania D993 257 horsepower diesel engine. This gives a cruising speed of approximately 9 knots via a max prop feathering propeller. Recent upgrades included new start batteries in 2020 and all new service batteries in 2023. She has an HEM water maker and there are 2 gen sets, one aft and the main Kohler there in the engine room. Here we are back in the saloon looking around. You can note that the saloon windows were actually out and rebedded this last winter. Again, the level of maintenance throughout on board is impeccable. Here we have the crew area with dinette, galley opposite with a induction hob, convection oven, dishwasher, dryer, clothes washer. That was new in 22. And there are 4 interchangeable fridge freezers, microwave, plenty of workspace, lots of storage. Wonderful galley for using at sea. That cooker, by the way, is gimbaled. The crew area, toilet and shower, which is shared by the 2 cabins, a single port and a double rebuilt in 2019 to starboard. The crew area is fitted out to the same exacting standards as the rest of the accommodation. Back up to the saloon for a look around, and I should tell you that the entertainment system was also fully renewed in 2019. The yacht has lots of toys, full safety gear, and comes fully equipped for charter or private use. She is indeed a yacht for all climates. Thank you.